Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your login password on Access Bank mobile app. Changing your Access Bank app login password is very easy once you know where to look. In this tutorial I will show you the step-by-step process on how you can update or change your password inside the Access More app, whether for security reasons or because you forgot your old one. So just make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any step, and also if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. Now the first step you have to take is to open the Access Bank app, and as you can see I've opened it and I've logged into my account. Now what you have to do now is to go over to your profile icon. You have to go over to the profile section. You can see the profile icon at the bottom right, so let me go ahead now to tap on it. Now under this profile section, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see change password. You can see it right there, that's the second option. So let me go ahead now to tap on change password. Let me tap on it. Then right here, this way you're going to be able to change your login password for your Access Bank app. So right here, what you have to do now is to input the old password. You have to enter the old password. Then after that, then you have to create your new password. You can see where it is written old password. You have to type in the old password. Then the next field right there is to provide or create your new password. Then the next one there is to confirm the password. That means you have to retype the new password. This to confirm that you actually know it. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to fill all of this, my old password. Then I will create my new password, then retype the new password to confirm that. So let me do this quickly. Right there guys, can see I've inputted the old password and also I've typed in my new password. That's what I'm going to be using to log in henceforth. And also you can see the requirement to create a password. They said it must contain at least one lowercase, that means one small letter, and they say there one capital letter, which is one uppercase, and they say one digit, it must contain at least one number, and it says it must be at least 8 characters as well. Then lastly they said it must contain at least one symbol, which are the asterisk, hashtag, exclamation mark, forward slash, whichever one they want to use. So guys, now I'm done inputting all of these details. What I have to do now is to tap on where I can see save. You can see it right there, so let me tap on it. You can see guys, it's loading. Wow guys, you can see it says success, password changed successfully. So guys, this is how you can be able to change your login password on your Access Bank app, on your Access More app. And I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.